XP Films here. I got featuring I Got Money XD, showing you how to change the color of your start button. Yes, I said I'd get this, and now I'm going to do it. Okay, so let's begin. File, open. Okay, I'll start desktop to show you where you go. Go to my computer, local C disk, go into Windows, and find a folder called Resources right here. Now go to Themes. Oh yeah, down here, this is a key part. Go to All Files. Open up Luna. And I have a Luna original, you will just have Luna because I've hacked mine before, so I'll have the original. But you want to open up Luna. And there's a whole bunch of stuff here. Open up Bitmap. Oh my god, so much things. And okay, so the blue is obviously the blue style. Homestead is the olive green. And metallic is the silver. It's all in alphabetical order, so if you go down to S, keep scrolling, and then you see Start Button. Click that. A bitmap appears. Okay, so you go over here. Save bitmap. I think that is. And you make sure it is. I'm not even sure if you can change the file format. Yep. Okay, it has to be bitmap when. Now, file name. Start button. Hack. Save it. Now, what you're going to do is minimize that. And open up. I prefer paint.net, but if you use GIMP or whatever, you can do that. And then we are simply going to alter the color. Now we have 500,000 stuff all over the page. Open. Where's the open window? Okay. Start, you'll find that, and I'll explain. You're wondering why there's 3, but you notice that shade there. Wait, this shade here is when you're over it. This shade, this shade here is normal, I think, and that one's when you click it. I think that's how it goes, but so we're going to go, we'll just do hue saturation. How come I cannot saturate it? Sorry. Oh, apparently, sorry, this does not support it won't show this window to me in that, so but you notice you can do that. I like that. Saturation. Let's have a black start button. No. Okay. Oops. Did not mean to do that. Alright, so then you go File, Save. Okay. Keep this open. We're going to still use it, I'm thinking. Then you're back here. Right click, replace resource. You'll find that. And open file with new bitmap. Wait, what's that? It's going to be our new start button. Replace, and that is now the black. Then we change the taskbar. Let me just scroll that. I think it's that one. I can't tell. No. I'm just going to do that. Wait a second. Yes, there's taskbar background going up. And that's the one sideways. You're wondering why there's an up one, so that if you move your taskbar over to the side, you need that. So, wait. We're going to save both of them. Taskbar hack 1. Taskbar hack 2. Save. Minimize, but keep those open. Just so. Back, file, open. And you'll find these. Open both. Sorry if I'm being unsteady with it. Hold on. Okay, so... Oh, perfect. There. Then we go to adjustments, hue saturation. Okay. And then you have that.